Right, and we're at a litter disposal spot on Highway 1, and I kind of lost the other two, so I turned around and went back only to find that Villain Catcher was flying his drone. Well, trying to fly his drone. It's taking off there now. It's hovering. There it is. There's the drone. Oops, it's gone skyward. So that'll be on a Villain Catcher thing. But what do we notice about the countryside out here? No large trees because of the rain. Red soil. Great cattle country. Served by a number of major rivers that rely on the wet season. A lot of grey nomads who cross Australia through here. Plenty of road trains. A few little grey kangaroos. We managed to miss all those so far. And we're continuing on to Fitzroy River Crossing, and at this stage I think everyone's photographing everyone because Villain Catcher has his drone up in the sky. Craig has got Villain Catcher's camera showing what it looks like from the ground, and I have my camera showing what it looks like watching them. So that's pretty exciting. Real star-studded stuff. Better watch where we're going here. We might have inbound aircraft landing on top of us. So let's have a little look at the vegetation over here while we've got the opportunity to do nothing. Alright, plenty of litter around. Just watch where you walk because I think some people use it as a toilet. Alright, so let's have a close look here at the vegetation. Not much cattle food value there. Spinifex type grass here. And another little flowering shrub here. So this is the type of soil. We might dig down and have a look at a soil profile. I'm sure that's going to be extremely exciting and about as interesting as watching or listening to Bruce Pascoe growing flour, wheat for so many thousands of dollars. Right, so we've scratched the surface there, as you can see, and it's quite dry underneath. So we can assume it's a dry country, Australia. It's the driest continent in the world, to be correct. There, we've dug down to a depth of about 5 centimetres. We've found nothing that's different to what's on the top. So that proved that we don't need too much money wasted on investigation that way. Now, we have an inbound vehicle here, a truck, a council truck. He's driving along the road. We saw him earlier parked up the road, and that he's waving to us, and that's some real excitement for the day today. Absolutely enthralled. Looks like could be rain. There goes a 4-wheel drive. They wave to us, yes. Been some low-lying hills around here, very large properties. We're talking tens of thousands of hectares, and I think we've just about finished doing as much BS in this video as we can without boring you entirely. We'll just watch a grey nomad go past. Oh, we had a snake in the hotel last night. That was a big excitement. Common feature, they have resident snake catcher there. They took it outside and left a sign warning snakes in this area. So there goes a grey nomad. Isn't that exciting? Okay, now Villain Catcher's, oh, he's actually landed it. So if he's landed that, we'll probably be jumping on the bikes and racing off to Fitzroy Crossing River Lodge. So hit the like button. We hope you've enjoyed this lesson in geography and join us a little bit later.